Dear friends, we will see weekly analysis and we will do the detailed analysis on how about the market, whether our market will go up or down, or what is our predictability on our coming weeks, okay, at least for the next week, okay. So what we should do or what we should not do. So I'll basically divide uh, our conversation or this video will cover you exactly our Nifty prediction, and I will not give the prediction based on this candle, bullish candle or Marbosu candle or Doji candle, all those things, and not by the triangle pattern or W pattern, cup and handle pattern. So people always say it is a TFT, true flag. It is a tight flag, so it will fly again. All those things. So I will do a very good analysis of what really is going to happen in the market. If that analysis is not right, you also let me know. I will correct my analysis definitely. So, but I'm sharing it only based on my current analysis. Okay, I feel it will be helpful for all. Okay, uh, thanks, friends. So let me go into the video. So 1 minute. Yeah, sometimes the CPR also fail, but many times CPR won't fail. So we'll do a weekly analysis by using a 1 hour chart. I hope this will help you to understand where really we are at. Okay. So what this CPR chart does is it gives three lines. Okay, that is a pivot line and then up and down. So whenever you see that kind of a wide, almost 212 to 338, you can see these two lines, right? 338 and 212. Okay, let me remove all other lines. Just 1 minute. So if you see our CPR chart, it is 212, 275 and 338. Above around 60 points and below you have around 60 points. Okay, around 120 points wide. So whenever we have a CPR of our 120 points, then market is likely to go sideways. That is what CPR predicts. And market is already in the downtrend. So market only I'm doing only on the CPR analysis right now. Okay. So CPR may our market again will go down. So it may go up to 24,856 or 24,583. Okay. So that is the prediction because it's already in the downtrend, and you can see here exactly what really happened. So if you see the market structure is moving lower low and lower high. Okay, so lower low you can see here it is already forming a lower low, and it is also forming a lower high as well. Lower low, lower high. So whenever the market forms this kind of lower low, lower high structure, and market will not go back immediately. It is going to fall down. Okay. But the next level we need to see about 24,856, 24,583. So whenever we see market get to 24,856 around that level, then it will move little on sideways. Again, it will fall to 24,583. That will be deep fall, and then it will retain at 24,583. So I am predicting again some 400 points for this week. It will fall. That is because of the market structure right now. So market structure, it's very clear it is going to fall because of lower low and lower high formed. But it may reverse also, but I predict it won't go again. Okay. So now I'll show you the This is all our prediction based on CPR, okay? And some people will always say CPR won't work, or CPR may not come, and so on. So let's not go into the CPR. So we will go directly into the uh, real market condition currently, okay? So whenever you keep 1 hour window, this indicator is same. I'm using always one indicator which I already explained before, so that you can verify on another video. So it is a custom DIY ZPAP. First thing what we need to understand is our supply and demand zone. On 1 hour time frame, our supply zone is at 2500. Okay, and what is the next one? 25,696. You see here there is a red. Okay, continuous red. So whenever there is a one this line, right? Let me mark it as a 1 point. Okay, like 25 129 and then 25,653. So these are the two supply zone. Okay, currently the market is placing these levels as the supply zone, or you can say resistance. So market may likely always hold this level. So our market will not likely, it won't breach 25,653. That is sure. But even if it moves, it may move here and there. But 25,129 already seems to be a very strong resistance. Okay, so just to see these two levels. Okay, 25,129 and 25,653. So that's on the supply side. Side. Now we'll go to the demand. So demand is at 24,700. Okay, so 24,700 you can see demand. And next is 24,502. So you can see here it is both of them are placed 738 and 502. So which is also near at the CPR level. So even though CPR level hits, there's a resistance, right? There is a support. So market will have a support at 24,502, 24,738, and 24,212 and 24,525. So this is all the resistance and support level for this week. Okay, but if it really goes really drop, then we'll see the last support level, that is 23,900. But 23,900 likely it won't go that deep, but who knows, market may fall. So we'll take this level also, but likely to be on 24,500 market will go. So this is what it is. But since our CPR is little wider, market will go sideways, fall sideways, fall sideways. So that is what going to happen. You can see 24,800 where you have an order block, right? So 24 green color order block. So whenever OB at 24,800, then market will likely to move little higher. But after 24,800, it will move little higher, and then market will move from 24,800 to 24,969. You have a breaker block. Breaker block is again at 24,969. It is SLS will be there. So likely it will move around 24,800 to 24,969 on this Monday and Tuesday, and after that it will fall to 24,738. If that is holding good, then it will continue to hold. Market again it will go little higher. So after that it will again fall. So 24,500 you can expect. So I feel I had given my supply and demand this one. So let's see how really this is true. Okay. So whatever I'm saying, I have to do a confirmation also, right? So let me do that as well. Yeah. Okay, now we'll do a confirmation on OI side. Open interest is very much important to understand the market. Current PCR at 0.89, so this PCR value will change. But you see there is a trend of going down. Red is like a call raters and P are put raters. So you can already see there is a market movement happening down. And 24,950 there are call rate is high, and currently it is trading at this level, but it is 850 is the where they are holding now. So but this 850 also will go down, and you can see this market is going to fall. Whenever you have this kind of inverse thing, then bearish sentiment is from the OI. Okay, so bearish sentiment is confirmed, but it won't give exactly to up to what level it will go, but that you got it from supply and demand. Now I'll go to the next one. Okay, that is on the. This is an important chart. So how really our future and future OASS time. You see there is a short build-up. Okay, whenever there is a short build-up is going on right now. So continuously almost 3, 4, 5, 6 days continuous short build-up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days a short build-up happen, and only 2 days it's a long build-up. So whenever a short build-up happens, it is a bearish market. Okay, it's a very strong bearish sentiment right now on a future side. So this is the second confirmation on the bearish. Okay, so already I told based from CPR it is a bearish, and then from demand supply also it is a bearish, and the future OI shows a bearish. Then open interest shows bearish. All four I showed. Okay, I'll show you the FA and FA data also. Okay, you can see as of Friday, this FII segment shows a strong bearish. We already found in features. So whenever a feature is very strong bearish, then it is going to surely fall market. Okay, and then options are showing bearish only. So wherever we have a client as very less, right, that is a strong bullish. So usually client and FIA are always inversely proportional. That means whenever client feels it goes bullish, then market will be bearish. So you can see clients are placed. Clients means all the retailers. So we will see it is a bullish, but it is not so. So you can see it's a strong bearish from the FIA also. Okay. So I'll not go into further details. So I'll close this video, but I hope you will understand the current trend. It is going to be a strong bearish sentiment. So we'll again go over the chart. From this chart, what we understand 25,129. If it is 25,129 broken, then it is likely to be go up, but again it will fall. But 24,738, 24,502, and 24,129. These are the levels for this week. Okay. Thanks, friends. So don't be bullish right now. Don't take CE as a buyer. Always try to take a PE if you are option buyer. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, that's all.